Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Imtiaz Shaun and welcome to this channel Need More Education Enemy. Today I'm going to show you how to make a pattern design in Illustrator fully automatic process. So let's start after this little intro. So first of all, draw a line. Take a selection tool and select this line, then go to Effect, then Distort and Transform, and then select the transform. Then follow me. Okay, now create a new layer and go to View and select Smart Guides. Okay. Then draw lines as like me. After drawing lines, go to Layer panel and click this icon. It's a target icon, so click it and go to take brush tool and draw a line like this. Then take selection tools and go to Layer panel and again click this icon and go to Effect, Distort and Transform, then follow me. After reflect this line, then again go to Effect, Distort and Transform and follow the instruction. Okay. Now select rectangle and draw as like me. And select the direct selection tool and set up as like me this rectangle. Okay. Now go to the Layer 2 panel and then turn off the extra lines that no needs. You should be manage this rectangle as circle type, just like so. Okay. Now select the brush tool and let's do the main works. Select color as you want and also select brushes types. You can make brushes as your styles. If you want to make brush, then you can see my before tutorial where I shown how to make brushes. You can find it in the above icon or cards, and also can get 13 number link in the description box below. So main setup I was show you, now just drawing different design in this pattern box. If you draw one side in this box, it will be automatically draw entire pattern box equally. So see this full video and enjoy it. If you learned something from this video or tutorial, then please like, share, subscribe, and after subscribe this channel, do not forget to press the bell icon because it will helping you to get the next tutorial video by the notification. Thank you for watching this video. Allah Hafiz.